That is one black burned out bulb. It went out the other night on my way to work, and it's really not advisable to be driving down pitch dark streets with no headlight. I mean, I've got this little running light down here, but it really does nothing to light the road, so I really couldn't see at all where I was going. I had to actually rely on the headlights from the traffic behind me to see the road enough to get to work. But it's a good thing I only had to do that for one night. Timing was pretty good. I got the new bulb in. I bought 2 of them off of Amazon, and with Prime, they came in yesterday. So luckily it's the weekend. I don't have to really worry about it until Monday night. So I'm gonna get this changed. Then I have to head up to Walmart and get some shopping done. Hey guys, so a little bit of time has passed since I last updated you guys with my scooter repairs, putting a new headlight in and replacing the speedometer cable. I didn't show that part, but it's been raining here, storming pretty heavily, and it stopped. I just came out to get the mail and noticed, you probably can't see, you could probably only see the one, but it's a really bright, really vivid double rainbow stretching all the way across. You can't see it where it ends the woods there, but it's really pretty cool. It's still thundering out here a little bit, but hopefully the majority of the rain has stopped enough where it'll let me get to work in just a few hours. So, see you guys later.